Tired of IT headaches? Data powers your business, but is your server room holding you back? Tangled cables, overheating equipment, and downtime can cripple your productivity. Introducing a solution that keeps your data center running smoothly. Cable Rack 1U Brush Grommet Strip Horizontal Server Rack Cable Management Panel helps you optimize your server rack environment, preventing costly outages and maximizing efficiency. Engineered to tackle these challenges head-on. Designed for ease, our brush panel fits perfectly in any standard 1U rack space, making installation a breeze. It features high-quality, dense brush strips that prevent dust from infiltrating your servers while allowing cables to pass through seamlessly. This unique design maintains optimal airflow, a critical factor in server performance. Crafted with durability in mind, our panel withstands the rigors of any IT environment, ensuring long-lasting protection. By implementing our 1U Brush Cable Management Panel, you'll keep your cables neatly organized and free from overheating risks. This not only enhances system performance, but also extends the longevity of your equipment by ensuring proper airflow. Don't let disorganization compromise your server's efficiency. Order today and experience a cleaner, more efficient server setup. Visit our website www.cablerack.com. Thank you for watching.